The Romin saddle, or the traditional foam version of the Romin Evo saddle, has been around for a while, and it is the pro rider's saddle of choice. We pushed the limits of foam in being able to layer foam in that way and play with the zonal density, but it was pretty binary. You have softer nose, firmer back part of the saddle for anatomical support. That was really as far as we could push it with traditional manufacturing methods.
Design Engine allows me to quickly and easily create high-performing lattice designs. As a designer, I am able to work on complex products and easily create products that weren't possible before.
Foam is more of like a scissors and paper. Like, you're not able to get so precise. When designing a mirror saddle, you have more of an X-Acto blade, and you can get really precise.
In the design process, we can take in information such as quantitative pressure map data to influence the next iteration of lattice design. And Design Engine allows us to fine-tune parameters in the lattice to get the performance requirements we're looking for.
It goes beyond just having these zonal densities. It's just how it all is able to come together. All parts of the saddle talk to one another. And so deformation in one area kind of produces support in another area. And foam just isn't able to perform that way.
Design Engine allows me to design more fluidly and translate those customer-driven performance requirements into a specific lattice design.
People don't really know what they're looking at, but they know it's different, and that's what gets people kind of intrigued and interested. It really just comes down to riding the saddle, and you don't really think about what it looks like or what you're riding on. You've forgotten it, and that's what's honestly the goal with a saddle. If you're not thinking about it, that means that the product is doing its job.